Hey everyone, and welcome back. Building your contact list is the first step in any CRM. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add, manage, and import contacts in EngageBay's free plan. First, to add a single contact, go to the CRM module and click Contacts. Then, click the Add Contact button. Fill in their details like name, email, and company. You can also add tags to categorize them, like lead or customer. Now, to import contacts in bulk, click the Import button in the Contacts section. Download the sample CSV file to see the correct format. Prepare your own CSV file with columns for email, first name, last name, and any other data you have. Upload it, and EngageBay will map the columns. Also, you can choose to update existing contacts or only add new ones during the import. To manage your contacts, use the list view. You can filter contacts by tags, owner, or creation date. Click on any contact to view their full profile, see all past interactions, and add notes. And that's notes, and that's it. In just a few minutes, you can have your entire contact list loaded and organized inside EngageBay. If you import a list of contacts, let me know how many you added in the comments. See you in the next one.